Hello, welcome back. In this short video, let us explore airport layout and some of its important components. This drawing will show us the layout of a typical airport. You can see the terminal here and the apron and hangar facility, taxiway, and runway. And these are some of the most essential components of an airport. Now, an ideal airport essentially consists of runways, taxiways, parking areas, and cargo and mail handling buildings. Now, out of the number of components, let us see most essential components. We'll start with runways. Runway is a strip of land which is mainly meant for uh, uh, either taking off or landing of an aircraft. The width of this runway depends on the maximum size of the aircraft utilizing that particular airport, and runway length is based on the category of airfields and the type of aircrafts anticipated on it. Next, another important component is a taxiway. Taxiway typically connects the runway and the terminal building, and aprons or that portion of an airport which is generally adjacent to the hangars or in front of the terminal building. And hangars aprons are mainly meant for parking or loading and unloading operations of aircrafts. Next, coming to the terminal building usually refers to a building mainly used for passengers, airlines, and administration facilities. Uh, 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 Lastly, hangar is a large shed at the airport, the purpose of which is housing and repairing the aircrafts. Now, we saw the drawing of a typical layout, and we also learned the most important components of an airport. Now, let us see some pictures which will throw a better insight onto these various components. This particular picture will clearly shows a taxiways. There's a taxiway and also the runway. And here is a picture which is showing runway and taxiway, and most importantly, aprons over here. Now, this large shed, is a hangar which is meant for repairing of the crafts. Finally, this is a typical airport terminal building. Thank you for watching the video. We will be discussing another topic in the next video.